Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools and focusing the console so you can run commands and inspect output immediately. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus J or CMD plus Option plus J to open it fast. Once done, click the Console tab and enable Preserve Log if you want entries retained across navigations. Make sure to clear the console before new tests to avoid confusion. You'll learn why filtering by levels matters. It removes noisy logs and highlights errors and warnings so you can act on what's important. You now run commands and inspect values to explore runtime state. Type an expression or function call and press Enter to evaluate immediately. Use Shift plus Enter for multi-line snippets. Use tab completion to speed typing and the arrow keys to cycle through recent commands. When you inspect an object, right-click and choose Store as Global Variable or Copy to copy JSON. Once you have a handle like temp1, you can probe properties, call methods, and measure performance interactively for targeted debugging. You finish by saving results and using the console as a debugging hub. Wrap code with console, time and console, time end to measure durations and use console, table for tabular views. To persist findings, copy JSON. Stringify output or right-click and save the console content. If things go wrong, first verify console filters and level buttons, then reload with DevTools open and disable extensions like ad blockers that may alter output. If the console shows nothing, try clearing storage or hard reloading to reset state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.